Hi, I'm Logan, and today we're going to talk about the Nitto NT90W. This is a studless winter tire. It provides excellent grip in winter weather. This tire uses crushed walnut shells and bamboo charcoal in the tread compound to deliver eco-friendly winter traction. The tread compound also contains silica to keep the tire pliable for strong grip in cold weather. Traction grooves help evacuate slush and water away from the tread. 3D multi-wave sipes and interlocking sipes enhance traction on wet and snowy roads.